Okay, boys and girls. So I've been tracking euro dollar all morning. It's now just coming into the bounce, getting ready to go trade. So let's get ourselves into it. What we're going to do is I'm going to play the intro and then take you through the trade while I set things up. Okay, boys and girls. So, Winky's brought me the coffee, because you're a good girl. Got the coffee. Because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee, likes Winky as well. Well, he does when he brings us the coffee. But I like the charts. Now, this has been quite a tough old slog. Let me just pull this into play a second. I've just done the read for them so they can see what's going on here. They just flick on that and it'll start taking them through what it is that I'm looking for. But all morning, as you can see, I've been tracking this right through to try and help them. Okay. The reason being is it's quite difficult to sort of just go, right, let's go market. Why? Because that's the land of the gambler. Land of the gambler never survives. I'll give you a kind of quick snapshot because we're not quite going into market yet. I did a poll the other day, which I found quite odd. Let me just kind of show it to you. Let me just log that across. Okay. So you found it on YouTube. Now I go live with the guys pretty much every day, all right? And I spend a long time with them and everything's open and I show them it exactly as it is. And I'm often asked, well, can you test it out a little bit? And I was asked numerous times, so I put a little thing on saying, well, all right then, $14.99, in you come. We start at 8 o'clock, finish somewhere between 9 and 10. But it's open for them. If there's something to go through, I stay. Okay? And yeah, bargain. Pay if it helps. Well, I like to think that it does help. Too expensive, I prefer free. You've got no chance, my friend. Fucking none. Do you know why? Because if you're not willing to commit yourself to understanding how these things work, and you think 15 quid is too expensive to learn a task that can serve you for a lifetime, you have got no chance. You know, none whatsoever. You know, even a book would cost you 25 quid. So I can't win. I try and do something nice, I get kicked. I try and do sort of step back a bit, I get kicked. Doesn't matter what I do, I get kicked. But let's see if we can kick this into the long grass. What can we see? Well, I've waited for that bounce. It's coming in now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to step this one up a little bit because I'm pretty confident with this trade. So I'm going to open up 2 trades at roughly around the same place. Okay. Now one of them we're going to hold out a little bit. Right, so what can we see? Okay, right, so this one's yet to trigger. Bollocks. Might as well just put it in because it should have triggered at the same time. There we go. Right, so we've got 2 trades running at the same time. Why would I possibly do that? Well, one, I'm reasonably confident with this trade. So I've got 1 trade there, and what we're going to do is we're going to run that up to there. All right, because this one's going to cash out, which is the crescent of here, and then the other one's going to run up there. Dead simple. But why am I buying it if you can see that it's running down? Well, that's the question there, Shaggy, innit? Actually, you like Shaggy and all, don't you? Shaggy. Did you like it from Scooby-Doo, or did you just like shagging?
Well, I'm saying nothing because forever I see you twist.
Eh? Well, what's wrong with
I used
twisting?
to watch Scooby-Doo, yes.
You used to watch Scooby-Doo? Yeah. Did
Did
you like it when Fred used to take Daphne upstairs? He always took Daphne upstairs. He didn't take the fat ginger though, did he?
I think you're allowed to say that.
Am I not? Why not? Well, actually, in the film I watched, he was right. What we're looking at here, boys, it is a very, very simple trade. All right. The general consensus of this trade is buy. Okay. So already worked all this out for them. Now, as a day trade, as a traditional trade where everything's lining up, it doesn't follow suit, which is why it says that. However, you've got low time frames starting to buy, and you've got the deep sort of trend. The trend the market is running is the general consensus. So therefore, I'm really looking for a buying bounce. Okay, it's kind of a scalp, but the market is so saturated at this point. Even if it continues to go down, there's going to be a violent reaction up. Okay, so come out to an anchor chart here. Now, if you were looking at that, you would go, wow, that's moving higher. But what did it do? Went straight up, stalled at a key level, thought about it a little bit, and then has broke down to this key level. What is that key level representing? Well, if I just go from here to here, it's actually showing you it's in the golden ratio zone, all right? And it's rejecting the bottom part of it. So if it's going to retrace on itself, the first place it will revisit is 50% of the retracement, which is here, okay? Excellent. Right. If it does that, that would create a new directional fib. And that new directional fib is this. So it started there, got to here. I'm working on it coming back to the 23.6, hence the first target. And the second target is the 38.2, which if this is retracing, it has to visit in order to go to 50%. And it ties in with a key level. So it all marries up into a singular trade idea. Now, when I add into this the fact the 5 minute is pushing up, the 15 is pushing up, the hourly is completely stretched. You know, we can see that. You can see the tails coming in. So the buyers are starting to be attracted to this. Why? Level. Levels mean value. And if there's value, people are interested. And if they're interested, they're going to start buying it. Well, that's what I'm banking on, which is here. Now, if it's wrong, it's so saturated, the chances of it pushing to here and here, it can do it. But that's as far as it goes. So I now know where I can stage to, which is here. And then if I'm wrong, well, then I'm wrong. I'll accept the medicine and I'll just get on with it. Is that the door?
I think it's windy cleaning.
All right, okay. Waiting of a roofer as well, boys and girls. The problem with buying an ancient old house, because this house is fucking ancient, it's always falling to bits. So never mind. Okay, kids. So that's the premise of the trade. So I'm doing this from here. There are all sorts of different ways to trade, and I know most of them, but I stick to the same basics. Down it's come, it's rejected, showing the buy up, it's come down, it's rejecting this. So if that is a V reversal, then there's a high possibility, but that can take days and weeks to come into play. If you look at the daily, what have we got? It's pushed up, it's come down, and it's now kind of struggling in and around these areas where it's been before. So if it is going to move higher, these are the areas it's going to bounce. Take it out to a weekly even. And what you start seeing is the market starts telling you a story. And that story gives you the ability to sort of go, oh, okay, well, if the big market's buying, this is rejecting here, where's it going to go? Well, it's going to go there. Why? 38.2 is the first visiting point once it breaks the 23. So I'm looking on it, retracing on itself to try and get back to here. Then I can make a decision as to whether it's going to go there or turn around and come back here. Simple stuff. Let's play it out and see how we get on. So, boys and girls, that's that job complete. It's gone up straight onto the level, as I suspected, and look what it's done. It's bounced. That's right. It's bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Why is it bouncy, bouncy, bouncy? Because I know exactly how to draw these levels. Now, you can't get them on 5 minutes and 1 minute charts. So for those traders, you got to look where value is. And value comes from higher time frames. And sure enough, there it is. Boom. Now, I targeted into here to catch the top of that. And then I targeted into there because that's where it was going to bounce. Now, it's actually already stretched heavily on a 5 minute chart. So there is a reversal coming in, which is here. So let me just make certain I've got no tickets running. So no tickets running. And there's 100 quid in about 30 minutes. All right. Maybe it's 25, 30 minutes. If that breaks through, then you can expect it to push up. But at the moment, it's at a barrier. And that barrier is here. As long as that's in place, I can't trade because I'm done. I'm out of it. All right. Now, there were two trains of thought. I could have targeted both areas into here and then look to follow this up. But the chances are it's going to bounce. And I only want to go hour to hour. And that is it. So there you go, boys. So I'll track that through for you. I started this process at the weekend by marking out the charts, understanding what it is that I'm looking at. Then I reevaluated it and redid it again this morning for the guys, just so they can see what's going on. And what it means is I'm always prepared when I come into market. Now, your homework, without question, is your single most important thing to do. Because if you don't do it, you're just going to trade blind. You're just going to run at the chart and take siege to it. And what you'll find is you get nowhere. And that comes back to what I was saying at the beginning. I did that little poll just to see what the general consensus is. There's a lot of good people out there that genuinely want to get involved and that genuinely want to trade properly. But there's an element that'll never make it. And they're the ones that are not willing to invest in themselves. And it doesn't always mean money, guys. It's about time and commitment to understanding how these charts work. If you think you're going to learn it on your own, you probably can. But it's going to be years. And it'll take years. I was lucky. I had a professional bank manager work in my office. And he showed me where those levels and everything are. But then the way that I trade was honed individual to me. Why? Because we're all different, guys. We have different pain points. We have different sort of appetite for risk, appetite for running a profit. Some people are just too greedy to be in this job. And that's one of the things that is a big issue. If you're greedy for money, in fact, yeah, just if you're in greedy full stop, how often do people really want to know these people? Not very. You know, I always remember, used to work with a bunch of guys. I mean, long time ago, when it was a blue chip sector. And every time we went out, you know, all the account managers got together. There was one guy. Now, I'm not going to mention his name. But those who know me that were there will know exactly who the fucker is. Right? Every time we went to the bar, they would step back. But every time somebody says, oh, I'm going to get a round of drinks in, he was the first one to say, oh, yeah, get me such and such. And this particular one day, we all got really fucking pissed off with it. Really pissed off. So what we did was we all went to the bar, ordered all of our drinks, and then we all stepped back and left him there. So we had to pay for it. Yeah, because none of us liked the fucker. Because he did it all the time. He was very happy to take, and he was the type that would shaft you over anything. You know, if he thought he could take a contract off you, he would. And anyway, as a few of us went up through the ranks, we made certain he fucking didn't. So always remember that. You know, you look after people, they look after you. You shaft somebody, you'll never get a leg up, ever. So let me quickly show you something. I was bang on to pull that out. Bang on. Why? Homework, guys. Homework. So, there you go. If you've enjoyed this, do subscribe. It motivates me to do more. If you want to speak to me, I always answer anybody who contacts me. Go on my website, scruffytrader.com. You'll get all my official contact details. And just take it from there. You'll also find the WhatsApp group. The WhatsApp group is really good. It's like an updated bulletin board. All my videos are posted on there. And you'll see roughly what I'm up to throughout the day. And actually how much I do for the guys in the squad as well. Because I do a hell of a lot for them. And from there, just enjoy your days. Trade well. Keep your risk managed. But above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you on the next one. Okay guys, quick interlude, because I'm asked on pretty much every video a couple of questions. Who do I use and what platform do I use to build small accounts? Well, it's very simple. I come to BlackBull because you can trade with any amount of money that you choose. You've got over 26,000 products. So if you're Forex, indices, shares, commodities, you're going to find it. And they've got excellent world-leading leverage, which you can use to open up an asset and get your positions in. And also the spreads are fantastic. These are the companies that I use to build up. From here, I take it over into the fivers. I have never had a problem getting paid off these, as you can see. And one of the beauties of the fivers at the moment is they're introducing new programs and platforms all the time. They've now recently come back over into the US. So you guys can now take advantage of the prop, and you've got C Trader, and you've got the 3 programs here to choose from, which are very cost effective. Now, to give you an example, there's an account there, 157. You might be thinking, wow, what's that got to do with anything? Well, it is BlackBull, but let's see where it came from. Well, if I take this right to the very top, you'll see it started with £15. And then there's all of the trades running through. Don't get it right all the time, but running through £142 worth of profit, giving me 157. Well, if that's the case, I can now go and buy a prop fund and then feed those funds back into the live to push it forward. Now, if you're interested in any of these, come along and visit my website. You will see everything that I do, and there's extra discounts and exclusive links for both the companies. And both companies use the following platforms, which is TradingView, CTrader and MetaTrader. My personal choice is MetaTrader, but it's all there for you, so you're on the same page, whichever.
I'd buy that for $1.
Good luck. Catch you soon. Let's get back to the video.